Well, it wasn't particularly good news for global equity markets overnight, with US and European equities both slipping. And once again, it all came down to what's happening out of Europe. The European Central Bank leader actually said that he's worried about some of the issues that are going on in Europe, and really, right now, he doesn't have the firepower in order to deal with these issues. Of course, this wasn't good news for investors, and this is the reason why we saw equity slip across the world. We also had some fairly negative news back here at home in New Zealand, with both consumer as well as business confidence surveys released on Monday. Now, both of these surveys did ease, and this really did show that there's been a lack of confidence from both consumers as well as businesses. This could mean that consumers may leave their wallets in their pockets over the next couple of months, and also that businesses may decide to hold off any investment in their companies. Both of these factors are not great news for the local New Zealand economy. Now, the New Zealand dollar has also eased over the past 24 hours. It did trade over 76 cents against the US on Monday, but early on Tuesday morning we've eased. We're trading around 75.70 against the US dollar. Local New Zealand lamb schedule prices have eased over the past week and have been continuing on the theme that we've been seeing over the past 3 to 4 weeks. And this has been a trend and a factor because of two reasons. The first is that we've seen procurement pressure begin to ease back here at home in New Zealand. And the second is that we've started to see demand drop off slightly in some of our international markets. Now, generally, we would have seen procurement pressure ease earlier on in the season, but this season has been slightly different. We are now starting to see those trends come to the front. The other factor, of course, is that demand and prices are starting to ease in some of our international markets, in particular the UK market. This is meaning that processors are holding off for the time being, releasing some of their supplies, as they will have to accept slightly lower prices. China, of course, has been an important market for us in terms of land, but they have only been taking some of our lower value products. We can't be too negative about the prices. They are starting to ease from the very, very high levels that we have been seeing earlier on in the season, but we're still predicting that they will be well above historical averages and will average around what we did see over the past 12 months, which will put a smile on plenty of farmers' face.